Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel, your trusted source for the latest news, analysis, and insights on the Iraqi dinar. We provide up-to-date information on exchange rates, economic developments, and key financial trends affecting Iraq's currency. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply keeping an eye on the market, our channel delivers accurate reports, expert opinions, and government policy updates to keep you informed. Stay tuned for real-time updates and in-depth discussions on the future of the Iraqi dinar. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has confirmed that it is ready to launch a digital currency, a statement that carries significant weight in the context of Iraq's ongoing financial reforms. This announcement suggests that the necessary infrastructure for implementing digital currency has already been established within the country's banking system. The readiness of the CBI to take this step implies that a series of foundational measures, both technical and regulatory, have been successfully put in place. Digital currency is not just a technological advancement, it represents a transformative shift in how the dinar operates in both domestic and international markets. The significance of this move cannot be overstated, as it has the potential to influence Iraq's monetary policy, banking efficiency, and financial inclusion. For years, Iraq has been working towards modernizing its financial sector, and the discussion of digital currency has emerged as a key component of this transformation. The introduction of a digital dinar would align Iraq with global trends, where many central banks are exploring or actively developing digital versions of their national currencies. A digital currency could enhance efficiency, reduce reliance on cash, and provide greater financial transparency. Given Iraq's history of economic challenges, currency fluctuations, and its cash-dependent economy, a digital dinar could serve as a stabilizing force while also facilitating greater integration into the global financial system. The success of launching a digital currency hinges on several factors, and the fact that the CBI is making this announcement indicates that these elements are in place. One crucial aspect is the establishment of a secure digital infrastructure capable of handling digital transactions at scale. This includes blockchain technology, secure payment systems, and reliable digital banking frameworks that protect users from fraud and cyber threats. Given the CBI's confidence, it is reasonable to assume that significant progress has already been made in these areas. Another key element of digital currency readiness is regulatory clarity. A successful transition to a digital currency requires clear guidelines on how the digital dinar will function within Iraq's broader financial and legal framework. This includes considerations on anti-money laundering, AML, and combating the financing of terrorism, CFT, measures, as well as policies that regulate how banks, businesses, and individuals interact with the new currency. If the CBI is signaling its readiness, it suggests that these regulatory structures are either already in place or at an advanced stage of development. The broader implications of a digital dinar are profound. Firstly, it could improve financial inclusion by providing Iraq's unbanked population with access to digital financial services. A significant portion of Iraq's population remains outside the formal banking system, relying on cash transactions that can be inefficient and insecure. A digital currency could provide an easier, more accessible means for individuals to participate in the economy, fostering greater economic growth and stability. Additionally, the launch of a digital dinar could have implications for Iraq's exchange rate policies and its ambitions for currency reform. The country has long been discussing the revaluation or reinstatement of the dinar, and a digital version of the currency could play a role in how these policies unfold. If successfully implemented, Iraq's move toward digital currency also aligns with global trends, as many countries are actively exploring or implementing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Nations like China, Sweden, and the Bahamas have already launched or tested digital currencies, while major economies like the United States and the European Union are in advanced research phases. Iraq's decision to pursue a digital dinar places it among countries looking to modernize their financial systems through digital innovation. However, despite the apparent readiness of the CBI, challenges remain. The successful rollout of a digital dinar will depend on public trust and adoption. Many Iraqis are accustomed to cash transactions and may be hesitant to transition to a fully digital system. Education and awareness campaigns will be necessary to ensure that citizens understand the benefits and functionality of the digital dinar. Another challenge is cybersecurity. Digital currencies require robust protection against cyber threats, including hacking, fraud, and potential system failures. The CBI must ensure that its digital currency infrastructure is resilient and secure against potential risks. The banking sector will also need to adapt. Banks must integrate digital currency functionalities into their systems, provide user-friendly digital wallets, and facilitate seamless transactions between digital and traditional fiat currencies. Training and infrastructure upgrades will be necessary to ensure a smooth transition. The timing of this announcement is also significant. It comes at a time when Iraq is undergoing broader financial and economic reforms, working closely with international organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, to strengthen its economic stability. A digital currency could play a role in Iraq's long-term vision for economic modernization and integration with global financial markets. Given these factors, the announcement by the CBI is indeed a major development. The readiness to launch a digital currency suggests that years of groundwork have resulted in a tangible milestone. The infrastructure appears to be in place, regulations are likely prepared, and the potential benefits for Iraq's financial system are substantial. While challenges remain, the fact that the CBI is making this statement indicates confidence in its ability to successfully implement this initiative. Ultimately, the launch of a digital dinar could mark the beginning of a new era for Iraq's economy. If executed successfully, it could enhance financial inclusion, reduce corruption, improve monetary policy implementation, and align Iraq with global financial innovations. The significance of this move is far-reaching, and its success will depend on careful implementation, public acceptance, and ongoing improvements in digital financial infrastructure. As Iraq takes this step forward, the global financial community will be watching closely to see how this development unfolds and what it means for the future of the dinar and the country's financial system as a whole. Thank you for tuning in to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel. We appreciate your support and engagement as we continue to bring you the latest news, analysis, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Stay connected with us for real-time insights, expert discussions, and market trends. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching for the latest on the Iraqi dinar. See you in the next update.